Right, so today has been a very windy window cleaning experience, and I'm going to give you a tip that you might know, you might not know, but I don't get these problems that the window cleaners that I was noticing today working with their one hand get, right? So first of all, I'm going to soak up my window. I'm not going to get any lift off of that solution. It's stuck firmly to that pane of glass. Right, number two, I'm going to be using two hands. I'm going to put my tool in the right place at the right time, and I ain't going to work like all the window cleaners that work in my area, and most of the window cleaners on YouTube work like Lousy. Right, so I've got no lift off of that glass. But if there was a circumstance, because I'm using two hands, I'm not using the basic one-handed method, which most window cleaners around my way completely, they're unaware that they've got two hands to use. So if there was some splash over onto this window, because I know the wind's going this way, I haven't cleaned that window yet. And what I noticed is the window cleaner who was working today with his one hand, with his Unger squeegee, with his Lousy technique, with his loose solution, he already cleaned the window, and then he went on to the next window. The wind was blowing this direction. Because he was working one-handed, all the solution was going up and around, splash back onto the window, is already cleaned. Just another typical lousy, pathetic window cleaner that you see everywhere, working everywhere. Also, you see it all the time on YouTube. So try not to be like everybody else.